Hi friends, today I'm going to discuss about the topic belief system. You know all about the belief system, right? Today I'm going to tell about the belief system and how the higher belief system helped me a lot in my career actually. So first we define what is a belief system first. So belief system is nothing but your thinking process of whether you are going to reach the goal or not, guys. It's all about your thinking process. That's nothing but the belief system actually. So putting a very higher belief system makes me to reach to the higher goals, guys. So when you get the higher goals means definitely I have already discussed in the previous videos, you will get higher satisfaction, you are getting higher wealth, you are getting a higher recognition, complete happiness you will get when you reach the higher goals actually. But the fundamental thing is your belief system, right? So I just discuss about this belief system and what types of belief system we have generally. So I feel there are three types of belief system, guys. There are a negative belief system, there is a mediocre belief system, and there is a positive belief system. So positive belief system, guys, the people who have those positive belief systems always thinks about the positive results, guys. They know they are going to failure, still they take the massive actions, and again they know they can reach that goal by putting the massive actions and the higher thinking, so they definitely reach that goal. But some people, why do we reach that goal actually? It's a long time process. We need to put massive action. If we are going to put the massive action, how we are going to enjoy the life? So many people take the mediocre approach. They have that mediocre belief system actually. If you do some work, that's fine, enough to me. Why do I take that higher belief system and take the massive action? They think like that. So that's why they are coming into the zone of the mediocre belief system. And there is another belief system, guys, which is very dangerous. There is a negative belief system, guys. So how they think is, even though I take the massive action, I won't get the results. So if I won't get the results, so why do I take that, right? So they completely think in the negative way. So the results are not coming in my way properly, so why do I take the actions? So many members think like that also. There is a negative, there is a mediocre, and there is a positive belief system. And if you observe, all are the people only. All are having the same physicality. They have brain, the same size of brain maybe. They have legs, they have eyes, they have ears, right? All senses are same, all parts are same, but the belief system are different, guys. Why there are different belief system if all the person's physicality is same, guys? All the person's physicality is same. Why there are different belief system? How these belief systems born in the people's life, right? So many members tell those belief systems came from our childhood onwards. So suppose you have not done your examination well means, definitely so many people think, okay, you are an average student. So people told like you are an average student. So you are also thinking you have been thinking, I am also an average student, I got this much percentage only, I won't reach that stage. Like you always think like that, right? Maybe from there your belief system came like this. But right now the culture is completely different, guys. You are seeing the same people are getting massive results, right? They are reaching a very high-end goals and they are getting good satisfaction in all directions. If they are doing that, why can't you do that? The same simple equation, guys, to get the higher belief system. But we need to know how my belief system should be changed. We need to take steps to change the belief system also, guys. So how do I change the belief system? So if you get into that question means there are 3 steps to change your belief system, guys. The first belief system is the affirmations, and we are doing continuously that since past 20 or 40 days, right? Affirmations gives the great belief system, because we are telling again and again those words into our brain with emotions, guys. So if you are doing some work and you feel very lazy and you are walking out from that work, means your brain tells to you, no, you are not that type of person to walk out. You sit and do the work, right? Affirmations gives you that positive beliefs, guys. They always do the counter belief systems for the negative belief system. So affirmation is one of the best practice to cultivate the positive belief system, guys. Another one is the knowledge. Okay, so suppose I was talking with Kanish was told that so your previous package, if you are switching from one company to another company, the previous because of the previous package, the current package is dependent, maybe the 30% only, right? How did you get the more packages? Okay, because I asked who told like that 30%, means her friend told. So because of her friend told, she is believing like that. I have seen the same 3-4 years of experience getting 50 lakhs and they cracked interviews of the Uber, Microsoft, the top companies. I know the 3 years, 4 years guys getting the 50 or whatever that is, 60 lakhs. They are getting that. So if they are getting that, means why don't I get it? That's the belief system, completely different belief system. So with knowledge, right? So I know this knowledge, she knows that knowledge. With the knowledge, the belief system will be changed. So always read the positive ones. If you go to the blogs, how they are changed their lives, go to the Quora, read that again and read that. So eventually your brain also think the positive things, right? Another thing is the action, guys. So with the actions, your belief system will be changed. So think about, you put some of the target, that is a very minimal target, and you did for that day, right? You feel proud yourself, your belief system somewhat changed actually. So you thought yes, I can able to reach that, right? That is one of the belief system you are cultivating in your brain. Again you are going to take the massive action, again you are getting the results, again your belief system will be enhanced. So there will be a cyclic process between the belief system and the massive action, guys, right? So these are the 3 steps to change our belief system also, I think so. So belief system is one of the most ingredient part to reach our goals, guys. Cultivate this belief system, it gives you the great results in your life. So that is my topic about the belief system. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye.